Right now I'm about halfway done with this shawl, and I wanted to show you how pretty this is. You can see where my colors are changing all the way from the kind of like a purple, I guess, color, almost like a royal blue purple, to more of a green, and then I'm into the yellow. And I just wanted to show you, I got my yarn all tangled here, but this is how I store it in between. So I'm about halfway done, and this yarn, it's a 4-strand thread really. The yarn comes in 1 strand at a time, and so then a little while later I'll have like 2 strands of the purplish color coming through, and then later on 3 strands. It's kind of neat how it works its way in. But I just wanted to show you where I'm at and how pretty this is looking, and how nice it looks with these different colors. So I've done my chain 3, and then we're going to do a 3 double crochet into that chain 2 space. 1, 2, 3, and then chain 2, and then another double crochet, and then we just continue to repeat this pattern all the way across. But I just wanted to show you how pretty this was, and I just love how it's turning out. My yarn tangled a little bit, and you can see right here where there's this little knot, and that's where the colors is going to change now. And sometimes when I'm crocheting, I just love when the next color of yarn comes in when you're using a variegated yarn. See, it just makes it look different. There we go. Different colors coming in. And then 2 more chains, and then another double crochet. So this is how this looks. That's how it looks when the yarn starts to change on this thread-like yarn.